Welcome to the third routine operation for CPMS. In the following 2 minutes I will show you how to set up a virtual meeting, and also give a few hints on how to make the meeting a success. In fact, before we even get started, I will give you the first hint, which concerns the browser you are using on your computer. The meeting component is compatible with the latest versions of Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and Internet Explorer 11. Edge, Safari, Opera and other browsers are not supported. At the time of this video, I recommend using the latest version of Google Chrome for the best experience. With that said, let's begin. Virtual meetings can be set up in all stages of the workflow, from panel selection to sign off. Simply press on the Schedule Meeting button. Enter a title and a description for your meeting. And also select whether the meeting is part of the ERNs recurrent meetings, or if it's an individual meeting. Specify the date, duration, and also which time and time zone. Click Schedule Meeting when done. To invite participants to your meeting, click on the participants header. You can invite experts who are already part of your panel. You can also invite other users from your ERN, your healthcare provider, or guests. Once the meeting is created, it will appear on the timeline. Hint: before joining, it is strongly recommended to run the video test. This will test if your computer and connection is capable of running the meeting component. When it's time to start the meeting, click on the countdown to enter the virtual meeting room. Once you are in the meeting, you will see the video feed of other users connected. In the example here, there are only 2 participants. There are several tools at the top, which can be used to increase the size of the screen, chat, toggle sound and video on and off, and also you will find the screen sharing tool here. The host of the meeting will be able to turn the sound and video off for other participants. Hint: this can be useful if the sound and video starts deteriorating in quality. Turning off the video feed will free up bandwidth for audio. Lastly, when done, the host needs to mark the meeting as finished, and write a summary. Click Update when done. It's as simple as that. Except, sometimes it isn't. Before we end, I would like to give you a few hints on what to do in case things do not run smoothly. If someone has problems connecting to the meeting, please email immediately the help desk with a screenshot of the error. While waiting, close down the browser and reopen it, and try to connect again, and make sure no other applications are running, in particular ones using the camera and microphone, like Skype or WebEx. Same thing if during the meeting, the quality of the audio or video starts deteriorating. Disconnect from the meeting, and reconnect, and as mentioned earlier in this video, try to turn off the video feed, to free up bandwidth. Most issues come due to the wrong, or outdated browser being used, or that there is insufficient bandwidth. So make sure you use a supported browser, and the latest version of it, and also, that you have the best possible connection to the internet at the time of the meeting. More routine operations videos are available via our help desk. Goodbye.